Hello everyone. Today we have a case. The case is issue on me region, and we must fix this to give back to the customer a good support. Okay, let's try to fix now. The first thing we try to check on me analyzer which version of me this file have. So we know that this file is Dell Latitude 5511. We have download exe here, and we must check on me analyzer to see which version is this me region. Okay, this file, and checking on me analyzer what version of me region this file have. Let's check. Oh, it is giving error. Okay, no problem. How to fix this file now? We proceed on extracting from LBE exe file that we have downloaded from official website, and going to Dell tools, repairing Vim file, getting exe here and proceed. Success. Going to process on HDR, and here we must use extra header size 16. All file extracted successful. Okay, we have output LBE, so we must have all extracted files from exe, but that give us two me region version. So the version are two and different size. How we know with what size we need to make it fix it our file? So again we go to LBE and we proceed to utility BIOS separate repair, open the file, and getting the original file here, open. We have to extract only me region to check the size, what size the me region of this file is. And the me region give us 15 megabyte. So that means we must use this me version of region that is more size. Let's check on MEA which version of this me that we need to use. So this version is corporated H. The other version I think must be consumer H. Let's check. Yeah, consumer H. Okay, so we get this file and we use it to clear me. But first we use to fix this file by manually, not directed by LBE. Let's start. Getting the file here. Give open. Must give some option on generating immediate file. Giving no. Close. We save this process. So now we have to get old me and new me to check if the size is the same. Let's see. So 10 megabytes, 10 megabytes. Only we have to delete old file and rename new file me. getting the process we have saved before. Open. Also we can't get also. How to do now? Okay, let's try to fix from LBE and we see if we can do with LBE. So let's try. Me region tools, me support tools, and open the file. Here we don't have the same current me region version, but we have to use this to fix some bugs on advanced configuration that are very important, these bugs, to check. After everything is done, we must exit from here and we save this file with name me model. Closing, and we have to get again the file me model that we done before, and going to manual me and choose system tools version 14. Getting me modem file. Build settings, generate immediate file, give no, close, and save the process. Save. So now we get again, copy this me version new, and going to me model decompose to paste. Rename again the same process like on manually, and rename the new file. Let's try to build image now, and we check if right now giving auto image. Yes, it's done. We close this now, and we see here we have auto image file, but we must check also with me analyzer. Again, here we don't have other files, only we have corporate consumer HA, but corporated isn't there. So the file is corporated H. In this case also we have another option to save this me region and injector on me version of LBE to update this process. So the file is done, and we give to customer to test, and we hope everything is okay. Enjoy the video, and thank you for watching.